The smart thermostat is just like that favorite robe you put on in the morning. It gives you that extra layer of comfort at just the right time. And the best part is, you can control it from anywhere. From here, Alexa, turn on the temperature by 2 degrees. And even here. It even notifies you if something back at home just isn't right. I gotta go. The smart thermostat integrates with your Protect America security system, so it readjusts the temperature when it knows you've arrived, or when you have a window open. And when it's time to turn in for the night, utilize temperature sensors. They allow you to target the temperature in a specific room for precision comfort. But my favorite part of the smart thermostat is that you can save extra money and spend it on the things you love. Take control of your home today with the Alarm.com smart thermostat from Protect America. Give us a call or go online to protectamerica.com/securityyourway.